Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday the 11th of July 2020, and this is the weekly analysis for the Euro, Cable and the Aussie dollar for the third week of July. And let's take a look at the Euro. And after a strong start to the week and breaking out of the bearish channel and the upper trend line of the channel here, it has consolidated with support from the monthly pivot at around the 112.50 area, and it's finding resistance at the 113.50 level, so this in a 100 pip range. There is no major news next week except for Thursday with the ECB rate decision coming up, so that's the only key fundamental driver. And seems that it's unable to break out higher, then it could fall further back and finding support at this previous upper channel trend line. And we'll see if it's going to hold for next week as well, because it has been an important support. All right, let's take a look at the cable. And cable has been recovering over the past 2 weeks, bouncing off from key support and now finding resistance at the weekly 55 EMA and also hitting the 21 pip retracement level. And after bouncing off from the 125 round figure level, and it's finding some resistance now, and monthly pivot was just below that, around the 125 area as well. So for the key drivers for next week, there are a couple of news coming up with GDP and CPI and unemployment report as well, but main driver is going to be the progress of the trade talks with the EU. It's going to provide fuel for further momentum, but for now it's facing some strong resistance, and it could well turn down and retrace and find support again at the 125 level. Before attempting another move up higher, if there's a reason to break out above the 126.50 area. All right, let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. And the Aussie dollar has been finding strong resistance at the 0.70 round figure level, so that's going to be a key resistance level, and it's facing some strong resistance up there, and pulling back after twice attempting to break out above that. And below that, there's still support from the monthly pivot at the 0.6870 area. But above that, there's also this rising trend line that needs to break below, and that's it has to break below the 0.6900 level. Next week there's only the unemployment report on Thursday, as well there's news from China on their GDP figure. For the week, it's finding resistance up there, and it's possibly in a slightly ascending wedge. All right. So the US dollar has been trying to recover, so there's momentum in all the other majors has been waning after strong breakthroughs and breakouts. But we'll see whether next week there's some retracement in all these majors, retracement lower. All right, do check out my other videos on spot gold and dollar yen as well, and have a good trading week next week, and stay safe, and cheers for now.